we are assembling the tackle box. So again, I have already glued my panels in place. So it's pretty straightforward where the panels go. On the bottom piece, there is an additional rectangle piece that's for the lining inside your box. So that goes on the opposite side of your side pieces. Okay. Your handle, we are just going to curl this a little. And once there is a small score line here for you to bend that on. And you're just going to attach it with a brad right here. I'm going to use my thing to, just going to make sure I don't have any trouble getting this through. Oh, that just really does not want to come off. There we go. Okay, so we'll put the brads through the handle. And then onto the box. There we are. All of your score lines on this fold down. You do your tabs in. And so you just want to kind of force your piece to put the little bend in it. It works against you wanting to bend, but it will do it. Super simple construction on this. Again, because I was applying glue to such large areas, and this one, just like the other box I put together today, the trophy, I applied my panels and then I allowed this piece to dry. I just put it under my mat, but that'll help your piece from curling so much, because when it gets wet, it just wants to curl. And I still have a little bit of curl in the pieces, but not as much as you would have if you didn't give it an opportunity to dry under some weight. Okay. So there is the lid. So you can see there's nothing very complicated with assembling this box at all. You could really do up a lot of fun colors. And it is a snug fit. There we go. Now there is a tag included. Says gone fishing. I lost my solid white piece for the other side so that you can address the box to somebody. You have one the same size that's solid on the other side. But this side says gone fishing, and I'm just going to use a little bit of my trendy twine here to attach this. Oops. I get this at Annie's Paper Boutique. I love my trendy twine. I'll just tie that on, and then there is your tackle box. Thank you for joining me.